The Adventure King's 250 watt portable folding solar panel kit has everything you need to start charging your batteries. It's the perfect size for big battery banks or for power-hungry camp setups. First, it comes in a handy carry bag which makes packing, unpacking and carrying your panel easy. It uses 2 latches to secure the 2 individual panels together and then unfolds with fold-out legs, meaning you can easily position it so it's always pointing towards the sun. On the back, you'll find the built-in PWM solar regulator that brings the charging voltage down to suit your 12-volt system. Plus, it features an easy-to-read charging indicator and a USB socket so you can directly charge your USB devices. The regulator also has an optional load circuit function and a separate DC output socket for more advanced solar setups. There's a 4-meter cable included too, and a set of alligator clips, both with quick connect plugs. With this setup, you can either directly plug into your battery box or straight onto your battery. With high quality Class A monocrystalline solar cells and 5 bus bars for high efficiency, this panel is capable of charging up to 13.74 amps into your battery. With up to a massive 250 watts of output and all the features you need to charge your batteries to keep your accessories running, the Adventure King's 250 watt portable folding solar panel kit is a must-have for long-term camping trips or big power setups.